wolf say?
Little pig, let me come in.
And the piggy say, not. Can you guys say it with me?
Not.
Hair. Very good. And the wolf say, then I'll. Oh my goodness. And the straw house blew down.
Whoa.
Wolf stay here. And the piggies are going to run over to their sister's house. Okay, here we go. Right here in the stick house. You're doing a great job guarding that stick house, my friend. Uh-oh. Here come those big bad wolves again. Here they come. And they say,
Little pig, let me come in.
and the piggies say, not by hair. Come on, you can say it with me. Not by the hair of my chin. Then I'll. Goodness, blew their house down. Oh no, now the stick house blew down. So my wolves stay here, and my piggies are going to run over to their brother's house that was made of bricks. Uh-oh, here come those big bad wolves again. Oh my. And you say, little pigs.
Little pig, let me come in.
Oh my goodness. But the brick house stayed up. Blow again. And the brick house stayed up. Blow one more time. And the brick house stayed up, and the big bad wolves ran away, and they never bothered those piggies again. Boys and girls, let's sing. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Let me hear your loud singing voices, okay? 1, 2, 3. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? No, no, no,